How to change page color in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. After you open Microsoft Word on your device, here at the top, simply click on Design. After you click on Design at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find Page Color. Simply click on Page Color in here. After you've clicked on Page Color, you'll find all the colors available. Select the color you want. You can also choose other colors. You can mix your colors, but for now, you can simply choose your theme color that are available and change your page color in this way. This is how to change page color in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.